Hi, my name is Chris Davis. I'm project manager with Turner Construction on Nebraska Furniture Mart project.
I'm Patrick Stutler, an area superintendent for Turner Construction. I am standing in a 1.4 million square foot warehouse, home to a 630,000 square foot super flat floor.
Super flat floors are all about warehouse space efficiency. Some of those benefits are the racks can be taller, so you can get more product vertically in the same space. And then the racks can be closer together, so you can get more product horizontally in the same space. Because everything is squeezed together tighter, there's less distance for those forklifts to travel.
A critical aspect of the slab construction is having a solid earth foundation. There was concern about soil movement and its potential effect on the slabs. Thus, the subgrade was moisture conditioned to a depth of 10 feet. On top of the moisture conditioned earth was a crowned flex base cap which was put in place. This assured positive drainage to protect all the care that went into the subgrade. Finally, it was fine graded with fine stone to a -1/4 inch plus 0 inches to ensure proper depth. Exact rebar placement was extremely important. Due to the high rack systems and the rail guidance systems, it was imperative that when we anchor those down, it does not hit the rebar that's incorporated into concrete. The forms are set with dimensional lumber opposed to the standard 2x. Forms are shot every 2 feet to ensure correct placement both west and east and elevation. Forms are checked 3 times, when they are set, the night before the pour, and the day of the pour. The dowel placement is also extremely critical. Dowels are placed and leveled as the pour is occurring. Each of the 100 concrete strips is anywhere between 175 and 330 cubic yards of concrete, with a width ranging between 15 and 25 feet. After the slab is placed, we use a vibratory screed to mix the aggregate. After that, we pass over the placed concrete with a straight edge 2 separate times. Following that, we screed it each way 5 separate times while using filler grout to fill in any gaps. Then we use an automated trowel and wet cure the slab for 7 days so we have a better finish. Due to the overall length, we have to allow 28 days prior to pouring to the adjacent slabs. The testing aspect of the super flat floors is extremely critical. At Nebraska Furniture Mart, we test for both floor flatness and floor levelness. We use a profile graph test which simulates the wheel dimensions of the exact equipment that will be used once the store is operational. Floor flatness is tested every 2 feet, with floor levelness every 10 feet. Additionally, we do a curvature test at the end of the drive lanes to test joints between panels. The tolerance is 125 1/1000ths of an inch. This reading is done every 5 linear feet. The panel-to-panel conditions are also tested to ensure there are no bumps.
Thanks for spending the time with us today. We hope you found this informative. It has given you a little insight into Turner Construction and the super flat floor process.